It's going over anything.
Wow.
This one's for sale, actually, if anybody's interested. I mean, I'm gonna need those 8 subscribers to pay for that bumper.
What's up, guys? You already know what it is. It's Flexy Friday. So we have a special episode today. We have a wild card, we have not a Jeep, and then we have a classic Jeep, the CJ. I mean, we're not all Jeeps on the Flex ramp. We're open to whatever possibilities. So now it's raining, so I'm gonna move the camera.
All right, so here on Flexy Friday again. Couldn't really gather a crowd around this one. It's a Bronco, but this is an Outer Banks edition. It does not have a sway bar disconnect, at least that I could find, so it's going to be severely hindered. We're not about to try to disconnect the sway bar on this. It's not in our wheelhouse.
It doesn't need it. It's a Bronco.
It does, yeah. It also shouldn't need it.
This is a Bronco.
It's a Bronco.
It'll do good, right?
It's got goat mode. Goat mode means go over anything. So I mean, we should be good to go ahead and set the record.
Who's ready? Look at this crowd.
I'm ready.
Travis, what's your thoughts?
Well, it is a Ford.
So I don't know if that's saying a lot.
Whatever a Ford can do, it should do it.
Look, it doesn't even want to go up the ramp. You're going the... Oh, did you break something already?
That's a very regular Bronco noise. They all do that.
Okay, so we got the Outer Banks. Oh, this is the Sasquatch edition.
Oh, it's Sasquatch?
Yeah, it's Sasquatch. So
I thought it's Outer Banks.
I thought it was.
It's both. It's Outer Banks and Sasquatch.
Okay.
Yeah.
I feel really confident.
You are just. Wait, what? Wow, yeah, that's... The Bronco actually ran this last time, but I didn't have sound, and now we have sound, and now the Bronco's back up on here, and it's not going as far.
That's about as far as last time, right?
Almost.
Well...
Like an inch.
Yeah, you're like an inch behind.
Like an inch behind. Ooh. Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but you're
that's
like...
the rear locker
you are...
You're up.
Wow.
It's fine.
It's going over anything.
Wow. How's it feel to be in goat mode right now? Are you even in goat mode?
I'm in goat mode. I'm goated out.
What do you think all the Ford people are going to say about this?
I think they're going to be proud.
I think they'll be proud.
I think
They're going to be impressed.
Well,
so it made it. The first time was here. This is now the second time is like this rusty spot.
Right.
So I didn't even.
But if you count the left rear wheel being about 3 inches in the air, it did go this far.
Yeah, here's where it got. Yeah, if we don't count anything. Like if you just want to drive up it.
Yeah.
All right, so is your Subaru next?
Subaru's next.
Boy, aren't we just an eclectic group? This is Exotic Friday.
Let's see what it does. I just don't want to be last. If I'm not last, I'll be happy.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna say
Right there?
right there.
I'm going to say...
The tire has to touch. Do you think the tire will touch there or the center?
I'm going to say it's going to go here.
The tire?
Yeah.
Okay, so the outskirt of the tire. He's got this smile on his face, like he's like, yeah, watch this.
So here we have a 2006 Subaru Outback XT 5-speed manual. Has a thicker rear sway bar in the rear, so it's going to flex less than stock. But I still think we're going to do better than some of the other contenders out here.
I like your confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is...
We don't have 4-low, we don't have lockers. We have a really...
You have all-wheel drive.
We've got all-wheel drive.
That's
and
it.
A very aggressive clutch. I'm probably about to stall it.
Wow.
I said it was gonna go
Okay.
right there.
Back spin?
It was, that one was
yeah.
spinning.
Nice. Yeah, the bumper doesn't look very good right now. That's not good.
Oh, you popped your bumper.
Oh, what? That's.
Whoa, whoa, we got some carnage.
Whoa.
Real car.
Yeah, that's. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, that's, you know, that's what happens when you go off-roading.
Yep. I think it popped the
You know,
out of the fender, just have to pop it back in.
you're still about.
Where we go? Where we at?
You need to double your distance to even get to the Bronco.
We don't have chalk.
Where were we? Oh, so,
Right, it was right here.
It was stick.
so I was last. At least I went higher than
Yeah.
the Bronco.
You,
All right.
Yeah, that is true. You're
I went higher than the
you
Bronco.
went higher than the Bronco.
I think most damage goes to the Subaru.
I told you would risk it. Just.
I said the most damage goes to the Subaru.
Yeah, I won the best show.
I hope it was worth it. This should get us 500 subscribers, so you just risk
I
your
really
bumper
hope
for
this
it.
gets us to 500. I mean, I'm gonna need those 8 subscribers to pay for that bumper.
Oh, definitely. It was wanting to crawl up there. It was just grinding its teeth.
You can
on the
tell,
thing.
like, as you're going up the ramp, you can tell the car starts relaxing and saying, okay, this is what I was built for.
Right. It
You
goes,
know, and it
now
just
I'm in my
all-
natural
Yeah,
habitat.
it starts to feel more natural as you get higher up on the ramp in the Subaru.
All right, CJ's up. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
The 4-wheel drive light works. Look at that. It tells you that you're in 4-wheel drive.
I can't see it with the.
Can't see it?
Maybe. Hang on. Point at it. No, I can't see it, but that's cool.
That's very cool. This is, I think, an 86 CJ7 Renegade. Unknown leaf springs, but they're a little taller than stock. We're gonna see how it does against the Bronco. So it's kind of old school versus new school, modern technology versus old leaf springs. Let's see what the Jeep can do. Huh?
You're a little driver when you come up. That's it.
That's all it's got.
Here it is.
Relative to the Bronco.
Hey, well, you know what?
It did defeat the Bronco.
Hey, I beat a Jeep. Oh, let's go.
2,000 years later.
Already? I beat a Jeep. That was the goal, to beat a Jeep. That was my goal.
I'm just happy that it beat the Ford Bronco.
Yeah, at least it beat the Ford Bronco.
No question, we're gonna do better than the Renegade. Just
Okay.
CJ7. No question, better than Devin's truck. All right. What's after Devin's truck? What's
Devin's after Devin is the two-door JL, the AEV. I think that was a customer Jeep,
is that really far after Devin?
like 1.25 inches.
I think we're gonna be between that 2-door, the AEV kit, and Devin.
Okay.
We're closer to the 2-door than Devin.
What's done to this
yeah,
one? Is this?
This is a 97 TJ. Great condition, less than 100,000 miles. 2-inch budget lift kit. It's just springs and shocks from Rusty. 1-inch body lift, 33-inch tires, and that's it. It's going stock on it.
That's clean.
Very clean,
Very
very nice Jeep. This one's for sale, actually, if anybody's interested. Oh, that's
Starting to touch better.
Wow.
what a beautiful view. This is
What?
Are we stepped too hard, or can I keep going?
You I'm gonna say you're stuffed.
Yeah, that's the driver.
This is very surprising too. I mean, this is very impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, Adam.
You went way further than what you,
Yeah, like,
what you
oh,
thought.
like
I
pretty
mean-
much exactly tied with Mungo.
You know,
Yeah, that's
we build really good Jeeps here,
behind Monk.
and we like to over-deliver and under-promise. That's all I can say.
Behind him.
Yeah, it's a
Also, it's for sale, so
Better than a 4xe Rubicon.
Yeah.
4xe Rubicon, nothing on this. It has
That
metal
is
cloak
very
lower control arms. That's what it is, guys. The metal cloak front lower control arms.
the 500th subscriber wins a ride in this TJ.
Yeah, wins a ride in the TJ.